para ipinakikilala po ang starting lineup para sa kupunan ng Gordon. Sila po ay nakasuot ng dilaw at ang banderita sa dilaw na nakakalat dito, Dr. J. Akala mo yung panahon ng 1986 ng EDSA Revolution?
Well, siyempre, alam mo, nakakalamang ang Gordons, kanilang fans are trying to cramp in every inch and space of this Coliseum, hoping to be able to cheer their team on. Obviously, they're not starting with their import, and alam rin yata ni Coach Tim Konya, kaya binalik na naman niya si Dwight Lago sa kanyang starting five lineup instead of Pochuino, which he used the other day.
Okay, Butch, wala si Chris King sa lineup. Maglalaro ba si Chris King? Butch Maniego, where are you?
Ay, nandito ako, Chino, sa tabi ng Gordon's Gym. At kanina sa dugout, nag-decide si Coach Sonny Jaworski na hindi lang gagamitin si Chris King unless absolutely necessary. Kung medyo dikit sa dulo ng laro, baka Chris King will see some action. But if they can avoid using him in this game, they will. Pagpapahingay nila para sa game number 4.
At least malinaw ngayon, Dr. J, na hindi natin makikita. Nasa katawan at puso, isip ng mga players ng Gordons, ang mga local players na dali ng team na ito. Kung matatapos ang game 3 na sila ang nakaangat, pasa sa ilalim. So far, meron 2 puntos na naikakana. Itong kupunan ng Alaska. Lastimosa, bailout shot, wala. And Aquino. Ito parang important ang nilalaro nito, Dr. J.
Yeah, definitely. He's a big player and he has a lot of confidence, so medyo umakyat ang laro. Pero importante dyan yung depensa ng Gordons. As you see in that play again, maganda ang kanilang dinipensa.
Naghahanap si Dudut na magpapasahan. Madaling hanapin si Marlo Aquino. Nakadikit agad si Holland sa kanya. 4 seconds to shoot. Valdavid, nadampot ang bola, ngunit hindi may papasok ang kanyang tira.
Still a 2-0 lead in favor of Alaska. That's the way it's been in the series. In the first quarter, Alaska has always had the lead here. Pero humahabol ang Gordons pagdating ng second and third quarters. No?
Ito ang depensa kay Johnny Abarientos. We will have a Johnny Abarientos. What? Johnny Abarientos. Dr. J, something na talaga nakikita natin ginagawa ni Johnny Abarientos against Valdavid. Mukhang meron siyang konting lamang.
At saka kaya niya. In other words, wala siyang takot kay Valdavid. He knows his movements can get him around Valdavid. Valdavid has got to do something on offense to make Johnny work a little bit harder.
Noli Locsin against Bong Hawkins. Wala pang makuha mga puntos ang kupunan ng Gordons kontra sa Alaska. And we have Anthony Suntayo on the latest report sa panig ng Alaska. Anthony?
Well, Coach Tim Cohn reminded his players, I'm very proud of what we've done in this conference. Just keep it up. Whether we win or we lose in this conference, I'm proud of what we've been able to do. We've been able to rebound. Sabi niya, tonight, stay positive. We can win this game. We'll see what Chris King can do. But dito nakikita natin, hindi naman naglalaro si Chris King. We'll find out what Chris King can do and come out even stronger dito sa larong to. Let's go back to you.
A steal by Johnny Abarientos and a play consummated by the dreaded Alaska Triangle. Hawkins, Abarientos, and Lastimosa, Dr.
All
J.
of a sudden, it's just a 6-0 lead. Alam mo, ibang-iba ang kilos mo pag alam mo yung one of your best players is not playing with you. Medyo, you don't feel comfortable eh. Parang wala yung kumpiyansa nila doon. And they're really ang depensa ng Alaska is really cramping them down.
Wala pa rin na-i-score ang kupunan ng Gordons playing with much handicap sa laban na ito. They're without an import. Chris King is injured at chances are we won't see him in action tonight unless of course necessary as reported by Butch Maniego. Johnny Abarientos out to Lastimosa.
Yes.
Lastimosa connects and it's an 8-0 score para sa panig ng Alaska. Kailangan gumising ng Gordons. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin nila.
Appreciate quality. Outlast Battery, winner of international awards for quality.
Okay, tuloy ang aksyon. Ang Gordons still looking for their first 2 points. Hindi pa rin nila makukuha. At ang depensa, Dr. J, ng Alaska, talagang hindi malusutan ng Gordons Gym. They're sorely missing the presence of Chris King.
Yeah, they're missing that presence from the outside. At the same time, medyo may kumpiyansa naman yung kalaban. Let's see if they can get something off the break here. Kailan may icebreaker ka dito eh.
Valdavid, binigay kay Noli Locsin, but Noli Locsin losing his footing at tatawagan sa ng offensive foul against Jojo Lastimosa.
Well, the referees of this ball game are referees De Leon, Chua, and Tangonan.
8:26 sa first quarter. Hindi pa nakakakuha ng mga puntos o ng punto man lang ang kupunan ng Gordons. They're groping for form, looking for Chris King. Pero mas maaga siguro, Dr. J, na malaman nilang wala silang Chris King, the better for this team.
Yung nga masama sa kanila eh. I think they played around with whether to let him play or not for so long a time. Hanggang ngayong umaga, sinasabi maglalaro, hindi maglalaro, maglalaro, hindi maglalaro. Pati yung mga players siguro. You know, we have to know, maglalaro ka ba o hindi ka maglalaro para alam namin ang gagawin namin.
Importante ang mental setup ng kupunan. As we see Chris King, Naka-uniforme yan, pero kanina nakita natin sa ating pregame, malaki yung iiga-iga na naglalakad.
Yeah, he cannot run, but he can shoot. See, nakikita natin sa practice yan, nakaka-pera siya, no?
Bong Hawkins, nakita natin kanina sa leading newspaper na isa sa mga who's hot and who's not. Si Bong Hawkins, nakita natin doon sa who's not. His numbers are down dito sa first 2 games of the Commissioner's Cup Finals.
Well, it can certainly go up. You know, this is a great opportunity for him because I think he will have a better of a matchup dahil kulang na isang malaking player ang Gordons. Outside shot here, still nothing for Holland on the other side also.
Shooting 35.5% from the field sa first 2 games. Kevin Holland missing another shot. They go to Marlu. Bread and butter play yan. Hison, thinking 3. Still cannot find the range, but Hison recovers. Sa gilid bukas si Baldavid. He will take his own jumper.
Ang layo.
Still sobra. At rebound makukuha ng Alaska. They're off and running. Pasaki Hawkins. Hawkins
Yes.
will finish the break, Dr. J. 10-0 commanding lead para sa kupunan ng Alaska.
You know, David has really given them hardly anything on offense. No, he had that best game in that playoffs, but from then it's been all downhill. Mga libreng tira, hindi niya ma-shoot. Siniset up na nga siya ng mga kanyang mga kakampi, no? And it's a 10-0 lead as Alaska tries to break the game wide open here in the first quarter.
Ito po ang game number 3. Tandaan po ninyo, ang kupunan ng Alaska ay hindi pa nananalo, and Marlo Aquino just gave Gordons the first 2 points of the ball game.
Marlo, I think, has been the steadiest local player, no? After their import, siya ang medyo kumakamada para sa kanilang kupunan.
Marlo Aquino averaging 19.5 points per ball game. Si Lago hindi makatatanganan ng pasa. They have 4 seconds to shoot. Bukas si Holland. Holland bothered ng presence ni Marlo Aquino. Yun naman ang masasabi mo kay Marlo Aquino. The mere presence of Marlo Aquino can change shots, Dr. J.
Tsaka ang gusto mo kay Marlo Aquino, he really knows how to play the center slot very well, which means what? Rebounding well defensively and helping out defensively. Pag nalusutan yung kakampi mo, habol ulit, tulong ulit.
Dr. J, dito sa ilalim ng goal ng Alaska, sinusutan. Merong mga fans na Gordons na merong daladalang banderitas na pula at saka dilaw. At kada nag-free throw, ito katulad dito, si Kevin Holland just connected on his first free throw. Pag mag-free throw yan, nilalansin ng mga fans sa ilalim si Kevin Holland. Kaya no, nakikita nyo, yung nakikita natin sa NBA, pero mga lobo ginagamit, no?
And they use a lot of things in the NBA. Tsaka grabe yun. Mahahaba pa nga yung sticks na mga ginagamit nila na talagang maiilang ka talaga doon sa mga kilos ng mga tao doon. No?
Naalala ko, pinakamalalang nakita kong pambiso nila nung tumitira sila Larry Bird nung minsan sa venue na hindi ko matandaan. Mga picture ng mga nakabikini. Ito, hindi pa nakakascore.
Tsaka ang sama ng tira ni Baldavid. Yun.
Bukas si Lastimosa. Sa corner, wala. Rebound kinuha ni Dudut Jaworski. Ito naman ang masasabi mo rito sa anak ni Coach Sonny Jaworski na to. Fighter ito. Ito, dumrive. Tapos, ando si Vince Sison. Vince Sison, 2 fakes, 3 fakes, hindi makakuha. But he gets his own putback.
Well, yan ang puso na lang talaga ilinalaban mo doon. Dahil ang lalaki nun nasa ilalim, that includes import Kevin Holland. Pero hindi umaayaw si Vince Sison sa kanyang follow-up shot, no?
Pero believe ka pa rin, Dr. J, sa depensa ng Gordons. Aatake na sana si Johnny, but quickly nando si Marlo Aquino upang tulungan yung kanyang partner sa ilalim. Hawkins bumato, ang tira. Walang pag-asang pumasok, pilipit ang paa. Baldavid has yet to score this ball game. Vince Sison has 2 points on the putback. Vince Sison driving in, ang pasa niya. Nakuha ni Holland at matatapik, but he ran out of space sa ilalim, Dr. J. An 8-point lead para sa Alaska, early goings of game number 3.
May timeout na. Bakit hindi pa nag-timeout?
Nag-timeout na
ang Gordons. So they'll have it at the 3-minute break. 5 minutes, 13 seconds, 10 seconds on the shot clock para sa Gordons.
Dito kita tatalunin, Dr. J. Ang Gordons shooting 20%. Ang daling kwentahin, no? 2 out of 10. Hindi na naman nakakuha ng mga puntos ang Gordons sa kanilang huling atake. Bong Hawkins susubukang atakihin si Dudut Jaworski. Wala ang kanyang tira. Shooting horrendous in this series. And he fails to score on 2 tries. Umatake si Jojo Lastimosa. And he's trying to attack the defense put on him nitong Gordons.
That's going to be a foul on Jaworski, and Jojo Lastimosa, who has 4 points in the ball game, will now go to the free throw line.
Kita mo doon sa huling foul na yon.